Your Honor, wala pong local
Oh,
government, wala rin pong
sinasabi ko sa
PNP.
inyo.
So,
Okay,
in other- Mr.
please
Chair.
proceed,
Alam mo,
Congressman Pascual.
alam mo, Mayor Alice, ano ang karapatan ng mga foreigner na patakasin ka dito? Ano kapangyarihan nila dito para itakas ka? Napaka-imposible naman yan na walang local official na kasabwat ng pagtakas mo.
Your Honor, dahil wala naman po talagang ako nakausap para sa pag-alis po namin, kaya hindi rin po ako pwede mag-fabricate din po.
Wala kang nakausap. Sino
Wala
ang
po.
kumausap sa mga local official dito?
Your Honor, isang tao lang po kausap ko po, pero wala po akong kausap na any local po.
Sino yung isang tao na yung nakausap mo, Mayor Alice?
Your Honor, yan po yung sinasabi ko po na ayaw ko pong sabihin po sa public.
Foreigner ba yan o Pilipino?
Yung kausap ko po, foreigner po.
Eh, wala nga mangyayari pagkakaganyan.
Okay, so we all agreed that we will not grant her an executive session. So unless there are other questions related to Pogo, you may continue, Congressman Pascual.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mayor Alice, nung ikaw ay nasa Indonesia na, ano ang plano mo? Tuloy-tuloy ka na ba na magtatago habang buhay kung hindi ka nahuli sa Indonesia?
Your Honor, babalik po.
Babalik ka. Uulitin ko yung tanong ko sa iyo kanina. Kung hindi mo sinagot yung tanong ko kanina kung sino ang nag-convince sa'yo para umalis, tatanong ko naman sa'yo, sino ang nag-encourage sa'yo para bumalik ng Pilipinas?
Your Honor, sarili ko po una at after din po na makuha po si Sheila, nag-isip na rin po ako talaga.
Alam mo, Mayor Alice, sa lahat ng tumakas, sa lahat ng nahuli na nagtatago, ikaw lang ang nakita ko na masayang masaya ka, nakangiti ka, relax na relax ka. Pwede bang sabihin mo sa amin anong tunay na reason, anong tunay na dahilan, bakit gano'n ang reaction na nakikita ng buong Pilipinas sa'yo?
Your Honor, ang masasagot ko po dyan, yan po yung pinaka-love language ko po sa mga pamilya ko, sa mga tao nagmamahal po sa akin, to tell them po na okay po ako. Yun lang po, a jolly person lang po ako. Pero kung sa hirap po, sobrang hirap po yung pinagdaanan po.
Please wrap up, Congressman Pascual.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Konti lang itatanong ko. Karamihan ng gusto kong itanong ay naitanong din sa kanya buhat kaninang umaga. Ang isang tanong ko sa iyo, Mayor Go, sinabi mo kanina na undecided ka pa sa pagtakbo mo this coming local election. Kung ganon, may chance na lubaban ka uli ng mayor?
Your Honor, sa ngayon po, hindi po yan, wala pa po akong naiisip about that po.
Hindi mo kayang sagutin ngayon na ayaw mo na ng politika at hindi ka natatakbong mayor ng Bambantarlac?
Your Honor, hindi ko pa yan iniisip po talaga.
Okay.
Thank you po, Your Honor.
Huling tanong na lang. Kanino pa sinasabi na kaya hindi ka masagot dahil nasa korte na ang kaso? May tanong ako sa iyo. Ano yung kaso na nakasampa na sa iyo ngayon na nilabasan ka ng warrant of arrest? Meron na ba?
Your Honor, meron po. I have 8 pending cases po in the court po ngayon. Ang nilabas po nila ngayon na for bail po ay ombudsman.
Itatanong ko talaga sa iyo, available. Meron ka bang non-bailable case ngayon na nakasampa sa iyo?
Meron din po.
Non-bailable?
Non-bailable po, DOJ, human trafficking po.
Lumabas na ba ang decision?
Hindi ko pa po nakuha po yung documents po doon sa
So
isang
hindi pa
lawyer.
lumalabas. Lahat ng kasong nakasampa sa iyo ngayon, Mayor, ay bailable. Tama ako?
Ang alam ko po, nasampahan na rin po ako ng human trafficking po.
Yes, sinampahan ka pero wala pang decision doon. Ang tinatanong ko, yung mga nakasampang kaso sa iyo ngayon, bailable lahat, hindi ba?
Your Honor, alam ko po yung sa human trafficking po sa Pasig may decision na po.
Lumabas na ang warrant of arrest?
Okay lang po, Your Honor.
Non-bailable?
Consult ko lang po. Tanong ko
Mr.
lang po sa
Chairman,
lawyer.
Mr. Chairman, Mr. Chairman, short interjection lang. Um, Alice Go, Alice Go, you're not answering the query of the good congressman. At tinatanong niya, yung kaso mo na nakadetain ka. Anong kaso mo?
Bailable ba o hindi? Bailable, tama.
Yung sa ombudsman po.
Available. Ang pangalawang tanong ko sa iyo, bakit hindi kayo nagbe-bail? Bailable pala.
Your Honor, hinihintayin din po namin yung lumabas po yung isang kaso po.
You're not answering the query. Bakit hindi kayo nag-bail? Magkano bang bail ban supposedly? Magkano?
Mr. Chair, okay lang po. Tanong ko lang po sa lawyer.
Tanungin mo, magkano bail ban, Mr. Lawyer? Magkano? Mr. Lawyer, magkano lang? Magkano bail ban?
190 po.
Magkano?
190,000.
190.
190?
180,000 po.
180,000? And then you did not bail out? Hindi ka nag-bail?
Mr. Chair, may ibang mga
Mga ano?
contempt pa rin daw pong iba, kaya
Hindi. Ito. With the indulgence again of...
Yes, go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
Hindi.
Congressman
That is
Paduano.
a deliberate move to you. From you. With your lawyer, na hindi kayo nag-bail kasi mas gusto mong nakadetain doon sa PNP Custodial Facility. Kaya hindi kayo nag-bail. Ayun yung totoong kwento doon. Huwag na tayo maglokohan dito. Again, you're lying. Because the real reason why you did bail out because you want to be detained doon sa PNP Custodial Center. Again, you're lying. Oh. Di ba? Simpleng-simple. Alice Go, billions. Tapos hindi makapag-bail ng 180,000? Oh, you're fooling this country. You're fooling the Filipino people. And with that, Mr. Chairman, with the indulgence of Kong Doming, I move to cite Alice Go in contempt. In violation of our Section 11, Paragraph C.
There's
So
a
move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, there's a motion to cite Alice Go, Aka Go Waping in contempt for violating Section 11, Paragraph C of the Rules of Procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation. And this is duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. Chairman.
Alice Go, Aka Go Waping is cited in contempt.
Mr. Chairman, my second motion will be Alice Go will be detained in the period until the committee report of this investigation will be adopted in the plenary. Question of jurisdiction, because Alice Go is now in the custody of PNP Custodial Center, will be discussed after this hearing, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, there is a motion to detain Alice Go in the
Contempt order sa kanya, Mr. Chairman, period of until the committee report of this investigation will be adopted in the plenary of this 19th Congress, Mr. Chairman. And question of jurisdiction or detention of Ms. Alice Go will be discussed in relation to the present custody of Ms. Alice Go after this hearing, Mr. Chairman.
Okay,
So
there is a motion to detain Alice Go, Aka Go Waping, until the committee, the Quad Committee terminates this hearing, and
Mr. Chairman.
pending the result of the jurisdiction, the issue of jurisdiction. This is duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman.
Congressman Dan Fernandez.
We'll be asking our Sergeant at Arms to coordinate with the PNP officials who have secured Miss Alice Go to coordinate and to hold her in abeyance while the Quadcom, after the suspension of this hearing, will be meeting up in order to find out the jurisdiction of Miss Alice Go, whether we will be putting her back on the PNP premises or in the House of Representatives.
Yeah, pending the decision as to the jurisdiction
Yes.
of the detention, the implementation of the detention of Miss Alice Go, the House cited her in contempt until the House Quad Committee completes or terminates its committee hearing on the issue of the illegal pogos.
Mr. Chair,
And I'm
Mr. Chair.
I'm not done yet.
You're not done
Congressman
yet?
Abante?
Yes, I'm not done yet. And also, Mr. Chairman, may we ask also the Sergeant at Arms to tell us how many more rooms are available for, if ever, that we will be deciding to put the jurisdiction of Miss Alice Go in our premises. Still, we have. And while waiting, Mr. Chairman, I'll be asking a while ago yung sa what do you call that executive session that Miss Alice Go was asking. I'll be giving you a piece of paper, Miss Alice Go. I hope that you will be able to read this and try to tell us in the affirmative or in negative, ano? Yung tumulong sa iyo na tao, no, na Chinese, para at least kung wala man tayong executive session, we will be able to know kung sino sana. Ha? Sige, I'll be giving this piece of paper to you. Pakibigay na lang. Tapos sabihin na lang kung yes or no. Sulatan na lang.
Tapos ka na?
Yes,
Mr.
thank
Chair.
you.
Congressman Abante.
Can we just hear perhaps Miss Alice Go would like to say something that can we just hear a statement from her what she would like to tell us this Quadcom. Let us give her a chance. Let us give her a chance, Mr. Chair, for her to give her own statement.
A statement on, if I may ask, Your Honor, what statement are we
Well,
requiring Alice Go to make?
whatever she would like to say, and perhaps she would like to reveal something. Perhaps, Mr. Chair, she would like to say na ginamit lang po ako, may gumamit po sa akin, hindi po talaga totoo na ako ay kasama dito. Let's just hear her make that statement, just to give her a chance, Mr.
Narinig
Chair.
mo ba yon, Alice, yung ano yung sinabi ni Congressman Abante? If you want to make a statement, you're given 2 minutes only. Please avail of that 2 minutes. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa committee?
Mr. Chair, medyo gulong-gulo po ako ngayon. Okay lang din po na makausap ko po muna yung lawyer ko po.
Sige, 10 seconds.
Opo, thank you po.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
Sige, while
While we're
waiting,
waiting,
while
yes.
waiting for Alice Go. Yes, Congressman Adyong.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, since we're now discussing about possible grant of executive session to Alice Go, perhaps we can also we take this opportunity to ask the two resource persons that we have, specifically Ms. Cassie Ong, if she's also willing to request for an executive session, maybe we can also contemplate on that. So, Mr. Chair, may I ask,
Yeah.
Ms. Cassie Ong,
Please proceed.
would you like to avail of a executive session? This is your opportunity now, because we are open to possible grant of executive session. Should you want to share something that you know that you do not like to share it out in the